Hello, welcome to my 9 to 5 day in a life working as a project manager in creative agency in London. Let's spend the day together. It's always so hard for me to get up in the morning. I usually try to do it a bit earlier so I can do my morning routine or go to the gym. But not today, Satan.
Good morning.
One of the non-negotiables, though, is making my bed. It makes me feel so put together. Even if everything is mess, just do your bed. You will feel much better. On the days I go to the office, I usually don't eat breakfast at home because we can get free cereal. So obviously I'm having that because it's free, delicious, and free. Did I mention it's free? So I'm just taking a shower, washing my hair, and doing a bit of makeup, getting dressed, and I'm out of the door in a quick 45 minutes. Go me! There are days that I walk to the tube station, which takes around 30 minutes, but mostly I'm in a rush, so bus it is. I love taking the tube. It might be weird, but it makes me feel like I'm in a movie. Cool corporate girl going to a fabulous job. But I really enjoy watching people and making up stories on who they are and what they do in life. Do you sometimes have this moment of realization that everyone has a life? They have this internal monologue just as you do, and they have their struggles and their dreams and hopes. I can't really explain it very well, but everyone experiencing the same moment that we share, but in a very different way. Okay, too deep for the morning. So first thing I usually do, I get my Pret. I'm iced coffee girly even in depth of winter. Tell me this office isn't insane.
If you thought that I booked this room just to talk to you, you'd be correct. It's extremely embarrassing to vlog in public, especially in the office with all the people that you work with. So yeah, meeting rooms. Oh my god, today I woke up at 2 a.m. and I couldn't fall asleep, and I had to go go to the office today. So I'm gonna be dead. I need a lot of caffeine. So right, if you don't know what I do, I am a project manager and I work in a creative agency. So we do lots of various things like campaigns and websites and branding and all that fun stuff. So project manager is someone said it's like herding cats or like adult babysitter, which I can agree with. So basically my job is to do quotes and timelines and then try to stick to them, basically, in a nutshell. I'm also responsible for all agency trafficking, which is like scheduling what everyone is doing each day, and fun stuff like that. It is sometimes very stressful, I'm not gonna lie, but we're good. And how I got this job, it's actually a very good story. I made an entire video about it, so go ahead and watch it now. So yeah, it's gonna be a very tough day, I assume. I don't know, I just have this anxiety inside of me. I couldn't sleep because of that. I don't know what's happening. I don't think it has anything to do with work at the moment, but it can. I am a very sensitive person and I feel like people's emotions, and if just a little thing is not, I feel like it's not right. If someone's a bit annoyed at me or angry at me, I just take it so personally and it hurts my feelings so much. So yeah, not fun. We were super busy this past week. Like I said, we had 2 pages going out, one on Monday, one yesterday. It was all hands on deck basically. And I think today is gonna be one day that we can breathe, and then but actually no, still busy. Yeah, fun. Well, to be honest, I prefer to be busy than to have nothing to do, because then you have to sit there for those 8 hours and pretend you're working, which is actually more tiring than actually doing things. I don't know. Let me know if you agree in the comments. Anyways, I better go. I need to start working. It's been fun talking to you. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Yeah, so welcome to my life. Workday in life. I'm a project manager in London. Oh my god, so cliche.
Now it's time to do a little bit of work. My days are probably 75% meetings and then trying to do things quickly in between them. I don't mind it, but sometimes I find it super difficult to focus in them and I tend to zone out, which is not great. So in meeting heavy days, I need to take extra breaks just not to lose my mind. Luckily today, I will have some time to do more admin work. Our office is absolutely ridiculous. It's so beautiful. It's a co-working space that has this like cool mid-century modern design. Honestly, it makes me feel like I'm living inside a romantic comedy. But sadly, there's no romance, and I'm just laughing at myself. But imagine if I will meet someone there, maybe on one of the lifts or at a table, and we will hate each other with huge passion because he would think I'm too loud and I will think he's a jackass. But then it turns out he's a very kind person and rescues puppies and grandmas after work, and I was so wrong about him, and we all just fell deeply, deeply in love. Lol. Okay, I'll stop now. The day went by so fast. That's what happens when you have fun. I'm not even joking. There was such a good vibe in the office. A lot of people came in today and we just joked and talked and worked a bit. Honestly, days like that make me feel alive and like really, really happy that I decided to move to London. I went to see Winter Lights in Canary Wharf, which is really, really great, and I recommend it. It's such a cool experience. Today, I'm posting this video Saturday the 27th, and I think this is the last day to go and see, so if you're watching it today, go! You guys are scary. Why they're all swimming to me? I got home, dinner is in the oven. I'm gonna change now and eat and relax a little bit because it's been such a long day. It was fun. I really enjoyed today. We had almost a full house in the office, so it was lots of chatting and laughing and just good vibes. But I still woke up at 2 a.m. so I am dead, literally. So my plan is to just eat and go to bed, basically. No, I can't go to sleep too early, but yeah, probably watching New Girl because I'm doing a rewatch now. Nick Miller. I will see you next week, and don't forget to subscribe. It will mean the world to me, and you know, I'm trying to make YouTube fun again. So yeah, I'm basically documenting my life here in London as a 30-something-year-old trying to lose weight and trying to just, you know, navigate life. So if that's for you, follow me here. Love you. Bye.